That's pretty unusual. These don't fail very often. I imagine that's some kind of a mechanical failure, not of natural causes. Probably animal will chew through the wire or something. Yep, exactly what I thought. Something chewed the cord. What a pain in the neck. Looks like something messed with the bulb too. Well, we're gonna have to cut it on this side then. Today is the last day of the year, so this will be hopefully the last fail of 2023. At least we can go out with an easy fix. Okay, should be working now. One less bulb. And we used to have this problem a lot at the old location. The squirrels used to chew the lights up all the time on me. I haven't really had that problem too much here. In fact, I think this is the first time. There we go. It's fixed. Happy New Year, everyone.